back at it again. In this episode, I'm going to try to show you how I made this to fix this. Stay tuned. Now, as you can tell, that turned out really well, especially when you see it close up. I think I decided I'm going to use this piece that was originally intended to patch the outside of that window channel or windshield channel to actually repair the next layer. Then I'll make a new one of these, do the outside one. And what I plan to use for metal, since I discovered something that's a little heavier gauge, I'm actually going to cut it out of this thing. Tink, 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 a little heavier. Of course, I'm going to check, it might be too heavy. In any case, I still have to make another one of these.